Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem codes in Knives Out. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so step number one is access settings. So launch the Knives Out game on your device. Tap on your avatar or profile icon, typically located in the top left hand corner of the main screen. In the profile menu, select the settings option. Within the settings menu, look for an option labeled redeem code or something similar. Then tap on the redeem code field. Carefully input the code you wish to redeem. Ensure accuracy as codes are often case sensitive. Then you need to confirm and receive rewards. So after entering the code, confirm your submission. If the code is valid and hasn't expired, rewards will be credited to your account. Now, there are some common issues and solutions that you need to keep in mind. So, expired or invalid code. So, ensure the code hasn't expired and is entered correctly. Codes are case sensitive and may have specific usage conditions and one-time use. So, most codes can only be redeemed once per account. Attempting to reuse a code will result in an error.